How to add language to your keyboard on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add language to your keyboard on Android phone. First then open your keyboard and then just click this one here to get more options, and here you will find more or settings. Just click on it and then you need to find here your keyboard settings, and now just click languages, and here you will find any language you want. Just need to scroll and then you will find it and just click on it, and as you see here the language have been added and you can remove it. It's easy, just by one click. And that's how to add any language to your keyboard on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.